how to send money to Cash App from Chime. Open up Cash App and then click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go and select linked banks. From here, we will need to choose link new debit card. And again, select link new debit card. Here, you will need to type your Chime card information, the debit card number, the expiration date, and also the CVV, which is going to be the code on the back of your card, as well as your zip code. If you're unsure of your zip code, just Google your location followed by zip code, and you will be able to see your accurate zip code. Once you have linked your card, you will need to go back all the way to the home screen, and this time click on the bank icon. Now from here, you will need to go and choose add money and choose the amount which you want to add to Cash App from Chime. You can do a custom amount by clicking on the three dots and typing right here. Afterwards, you'll just click on add, confirm it, and that is how you do it. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.